Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Sony A6000 is probably one of the most popular mirrorless cameras ever made, and for good reason. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to step up their photography game without breaking the bank. This camera offers a compelling blend of performance, features, and portability, making it ideal for both beginners and enthusiasts. Whether you're into travel photography, vlogging, or simply capturing everyday moments, the A6000 delivers impressive image quality and versatility. Number 5. Sony A6000 24.3MP Interchangeable Lens Digital Camera. This camera boasts a 24.3MP Exmor APS HD CMOS sensor. It captures stunning detail and clarity in every shot, ensuring your photos are vibrant and sharp. Powered by the Bionz X engine, this camera delivers incredible image processing speed. This allows it to capture high-quality images with minimal noise, even in challenging lighting conditions. Experience incredibly fast and accurate focusing with the fast hybrid autofocus system. It combines phase and contrast detection, ensuring you never miss a moment. The camera features a versatile E-mount interchangeable lens system. This gives you the freedom to choose from a wide range of lenses to suit your creative vision. Take full control of your photography with the camera's manual settings. Adjust aperture, shutter speed, and ISO to achieve the perfect shot every time. Share your photos instantly with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC one-touch connectivity. Easily transfer images to your smartphone or tablet for sharing on social media. What we like. This camera boasts a 24.3MP sensor, ensuring stunning image quality. Its fast hybrid autofocus system helps you capture sharp images quickly. Plus, with Wi-Fi and NFC, sharing your photos is a breeze. If you're looking for a camera that combines excellent image quality with easy sharing capabilities, this is the one for you. What people say. The camera's autofocus is incredibly fast and accurate. The image quality is excellent, with great detail and dynamic range. The camera is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Number 4. Sony A6000 with a CLP1650 lens kit, black. This is the Sony A6000, a digital camera designed for capturing stunning images. It boasts a 24.3MP Exmor APS HD CMOS sensor, ensuring every shot is packed with detail. The A6000 features a versatile E-mount system, allowing you to swap lenses for different shooting scenarios. This gives you the flexibility to capture everything from wide landscapes to detailed portraits. With its fast hybrid autofocus system, the camera locks onto subjects quickly and accurately. This means you'll never miss a moment, capturing sharp and clear images every time. The A6000 includes a sharp SVGA TrueFinder OLED viewfinder. It provides a clear and bright view of your scene, making it easy to compose your shots. The kit includes a 16 to 50mm power zoom lens, perfect for everyday photography. It's a versatile lens that lets you capture a wide range of subjects. The camera offers shutter priority and aperture priority modes, giving you creative control over your images. These modes allow you to experiment with different settings to achieve your desired look. It supports both memory stick and secure digital cards for storing your photos and videos. This provides flexibility in how you manage your media. What we like. Featuring a sharp SVGA TrueFinder OLED viewfinder, this camera allows you to see your shots clearly. The included 16 to 50mm power zoom lens offers versatility. It also provides shutter and aperture priority modes for creative control. If you like having a clear view of your shots and want creative control over your photography, consider this camera. What people say. Lightweight, easy to carry around and takes good images. Works well with my Leica bayonet and screw mount lenses with simple ring adapters. Images very crisp. I like the E-mount with its short back focus. This means I can use adapters to put many different lenses on a camera. I do this mostly for testing, anything from super wide fisheye lenses, a 1.9mm, to a 1000mm mirror telephoto. This camera will be mostly for general photography when I don't know how to carry my larger, heavier Nikons, e.g., on vacation. The body is light and it has a lot of options for compatible lenses. Number 3. Sony Alpha A6000 mirrorless camera with lenses. This camera offers amazing quality in a compact size. It's half the size and weight of traditional DSLRs, making it perfect for on-the-go photography. Experience the world's fastest autofocus at just 0.06 seconds. The 179 AF points ensure you never miss a moment, capturing action with incredible speed. Shoot up to 11 frames per second to freeze time. The 24MP APS-C sensor allows you to capture life in high resolution, even in low light conditions. This camera comes with 2 lenses, giving you the tools you need to start shooting right away. It also allows instant sharing via smartphone with Wi-Fi and NFC. The built-in OLED viewfinder shows you exactly what you'll get. Easy and intuitive controls help you shoot like a pro, and it records full HD video. It features a 7.5 cm, 3.0 type, wide TFT monitor. It uses fast hybrid AF and has an AF illuminator range of approximate 3.0 m. Inside the box, you'll find an AC adapter, eyepiece cup, lens cap, lens hood, rear cap, micro USB cable, rechargeable battery pack, and 2 lenses. Also included is a shoulder strap. What we like. With the world's fastest autofocus and 11 frames per second shooting, this camera never misses a moment. The dual lens kit provides you with the tools you need to start shooting immediately. If you are a sports or action photographer, or someone who wants to capture fast-moving subjects, this camera is the perfect choice. What people say. At 11 shots per second. I don't miss a beat. The APC-sized sensor is really amazing. The image quality is fantastic. Number 2. Sony Alpha A6000 24.3MP mirrorless camera with lens. This is the Sony Alpha A6000, a mirrorless digital camera. It's designed to capture stunning photos and videos. You'll be amazed by its capabilities. The camera boasts a 24.3MP image sensor. This allows it to capture incredible detail in every shot. It ensures your photos are sharp and vibrant. With its hybrid autofocus system, it can focus quickly and accurately. It has 179 focal plane phase detection points. This makes it easy to capture fast-moving subjects. It can shoot up to 11 frames per second. This is perfect for capturing action shots. You won't miss a moment with this camera. The camera features a 3-inch tilting LCD screen. This makes it easy to frame your shots from different angles. It also has a built-in electronic viewfinder. The package includes a rechargeable battery, shoulder strap, and micro USB cable. It has everything you need to get started. It's ready to go right out of the box. What we like. This camera features a 3-inch tilting LCD for versatile shooting angles. It has a 179-point hybrid AF system for fast and accurate focusing. The ISO 25600 allows for great low-light performance. If you need a camera with a flexible LCD and great low-light capabilities, this is the one for you. What people say. While it lacks the brick-like, all-metal build of the NEX-7, it feels solid and the fit and finish is excellent. The controls are enough different from the 7's to cause me a little fumbling at first, but after a day or two, I wish the 7's controls could be updated. The custom function buttons are very useful and the Alpha-style menu is a huge improvement. The A6000 is noted for its blazing autofocus, and rightly so. Lightning fast with more focus area options than I care to write about. The A6000 is only 1 frame per second slower than the A77's 12 frames per second speed priority mode and will maintain autofocus and metering for each frame. The buffer is a lot larger than the NEX-7 and even larger than the A77. Unlike the A77, it needs 15 to 20 seconds to clear after a long burst, up to 49 JPEG 22 RAW, which may be an issue if you shoot a lot of action. If you only shoot heavy action occasionally or limit yourself to short bursts to catch the peak moment, the burst speed and its ability to track focus performs far above entry-level DSLRs and most mid-range models. Number 1. Sony Alpha A6000 24.3MP mirrorless digital camera. This is the Sony Alpha A6000, a renewed mirrorless digital camera. It boasts a 24.3MP sensor, ensuring every shot is packed with detail. Featuring an APS-C CMOS sensor, the camera delivers stunning image quality. Its focus sensitivity ranges from EV0 to EV20, even in low light. With an ISO range of 100 to 25,600, expandable to 51,200, it excels in various lighting conditions. It's perfect for capturing both bright and dimly lit scenes. The camera uses a hybrid AF system with 179-point focal plane phase detection and 25 contrast detect points. This ensures fast and accurate focusing. It can shoot up to 11 frames per second, allowing you to capture fast-moving action. This feature makes it ideal for sports and wildlife photography. What we like. Equipped with a 24MP APS-C sensor, this camera delivers excellent image quality. The hybrid AF system ensures fast and accurate focusing. It also offers 11 FPS continuous shooting. If you are looking for a camera with great image quality and fast shooting speeds, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The camera's autofocus is very fast and accurate. The image quality is excellent, with great detail and color. The camera is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.